Alright, here we have it. Vertical power socket. This has 8 of the outlets and 4 of the USB fast charging. As you see, it has 2 buttons here, this one for this side and another one for the other side. Pretty nice and convenient, because if you plug something here you have more space for it's pretty separate, so it is convenient this way because it's more separate and it won't get in the way of anything else. Pretty nice. You got a safety button down here, if you see. It's a safety button over here. Alright, it's a power surge protector, and you get a manual here, so it tells you protects and all the electronics, suitable for electronic devices, of course. USB charging ports, on and off switch with LED power indicators. So that's awesome. So the power cord is about, I think about 6 feet, and very flexible, but it seems durable. There you go, there you have it. Pretty nice. I just received it and I'm gonna use it now. Any updates I will just write it down on the review. So thank you for watching. Please press the helpful button if it was helpful in any way. Please subscribe, help my channel by subscribing. Thank you for watching.